To start off, just to give you a bit of information on Densify and why we sponsor these events. So Densify, we're a cloud optimization solution. We use our analytics engine to analyze how applications are performing in the cloud by looking at the utilization data. And looking at that, we can essentially make recommendations based on how they have been performing and how they can perform better in different instance or VM types or families to both increase application stability and save costs. The other impact is, and the one thing that a lot of DevOps people really like is our automation aspect. If companies are using a solution like Terraform to excuse me, sorry. If you're using a solution like Terraform to run your code, we can seamlessly integrate with that to make sure your applications are consistently and always running on the proper cloud resources. So today, I'm also going to let you know that we are hiring both DevOps folk and developers, as well as some other sales type roles like customer service managers and yeah, that's it. I believe that's it. If you want to learn more about our company or potential job offerings, you can check out our website, or you can ask me or Charlie later on after the speakers are done. Thanks a lot.
And then we've got Reg, who's going to tell us about PagerDuty.
Well, not much about PagerDuty, if you don't mind. Most of you who are in DevOps already know who we are and what we do. Those who aren't in DevOps should be. Find out who we are, what we do, and then I'm sure in the fullness of time you may become customers. And like everyone else, we're hiring, so I'm not going to tell you a lot about that, other than to say that for me personally, this is not our official line, what I love about working at PagerDuty is it's an opportunity to make the lives of my fellow developers a little less painful. And that's why I come to work every day, and that's all I'll say about that. What I do want to say is that we sponsor these events and provide space for them and so on, not out of some thought of investment or marketing or recruiting, but out of a thought of giving back. We have an opportunity to have an office here in Toronto because of the Toronto developer community. It's because of organizations like DevTO, groups and so on, who have been making this a kind of tech hub in Canada that makes it possible for us to be here. And we're doing really, really well here. We're really, really happy with having an office in Toronto. And for that, I want to thank DevTO and all of you for being a part of this vibrant tech community. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so last night we announced the 5th Annual International Women's Day talks, which is happening on March 4th at the RBC Auditorium. If you'd like to learn more or support this event, please check out iwd.devto.ca. And this is the 5th annual event. We have 2 speakers confirmed so far, and we'll be announcing 3 more speakers over the next 3 weeks. So check out iwd.devto.ca, and hope to see you all there this year. Last year we had about 500 people attend. It was a fantastic event filled with inspiration and great talks throughout. So we're hoping for a similar turnout and the same level of excitement. And finally, the TechMasters Slack channel is the DevTO Slack group. So if you join techmasters.chat, that's how you can get on the DevTO Slack, connect with this community here, as well as a bunch of other tech communities in Toronto. So that's techmasters.chat. And one last announcement before we get into the talks. The Bifrost Leadership Conference is happening April 17th at the Pantages Hotel. The website is bifrostconf.ca, and for DevTO attendees, by using the code TOMU, you get 25% off the event. And that's again April 17th. Check it out if you're engineering manager, a director of engineering, someone who's interested in getting into leadership. Fantastic talks from across the world about engineering and leadership management.